What? You learn what? What is matter?
Mommy, video me.
Yeah, okay, I will take you a video. What is matter?
Anything that occupies shapes, sizes, and colors.
Galing ah. What are the types of matter?
Matter? Matter? Solid, liquid, gas.
Galing. What about an atom? What is an atom?
Yeah, but atom is the smallest particles.
Uy, ang galing. How about in math?
Huh?
Math. Negative times negative.
Positive.
What is the square root of negative 4? Ay, ang galing. Galing. How about square root of negative 9?
3.
Ay, ang galing. Grabe. How about square root of 81?
81. Positive, negative, 9.
Ay, ang galing ah.
And why?
Negative times negative is?
Positive.
Negative 4 times negative 4.
Negative is 60.
Oh, ang galing. Yeah. Any number multiplied by 0 is equals to?
0.
Wow, galing. What is sun?
Huh?
Sun.
Sun. What is sun? What is sun? Mercury.
Sun.
Sun is close to the Mercury. The Mercury is closer to the sun.
Yeah, about the sun.
How about the?
Sun.
It's big. It's beside Mercury.
How about the sun? The
Sun
is?